Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying where Sekiro stores your saves and making a backup right away. This prevents accidental loss. Look in the game folder or Steam user data and copy those files to a separate folder or USB. Once done, disable Cloud Sync temporarily so Steam or Epic won't overwrite local files while you work. Make sure you note your game version and whether any mods are installed, because mismatched versions or mod conflicts are a common cause of load failures. Now you repair corruption and remove conflicts. First, run your launcher's file verification to restore game files. This fixes missing or altered core data. Then disable mods or rename the mod folder and launch the game clean, because mods often change save structures. If the problem persists, compare the save file sizes and timestamps. Older backups can often load when the latest save is corrupted. Make sure to test one change at a time so you can identify the exact cause. To finish, restore a known good backup into the save folder and start Sekiro. You should see the save load. If successful, re-enable Cloud Sync but watch for immediate overwrites. Confirm cloud and local files match. If restoring fails, export the save to Community Repair Tools or attach it to a support ticket for the platform, because deeper corruption or account issues may need expert intervention. And finally, adopt a habit of regular backups and controlled mod updates to prevent future failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.